I am finally getting to the point where I'm actually going to plant some things into my raised vegetable beds. I have turned them over, gotten rid of a lot of root clumps, which there's a lot of them in there. I'm trying to let some of them biodegrade, and the rest I've put in my compost. But it's getting a little overcast, so I need to plant quickly. I do have some tomato plants from a farmer friend of mine. She gave me a blue cream berries, a pink vernissage, and a yellow fire tomato, which I've looked those up and they both look delicious, so I'm excited to have some variety. I also have some marigold started, and I have some Russian purple tomatoes, as well as some black vernissage tomatoes, and that packet looks like this. So, I just kind of wanted to show you the rest of what's going in this bed today. I have the Farmer's Market blend of lettuce. Lettuce is always nice to have, so I figured I'd get a mix. I also got this lettuce from Baker's Creek for free. It came as a free packet, so I thought I'd plant some of that. I got cucumber lemon at the suggestion of my neighbor, who's a big gardener. He has 6 raised beds over there, and I have 2, so he's very committed. But he said that these are fantastic, so I saw them at the store. 1 packet left, so I grabbed it and took it home for us both to plant. I also got edamame. I thought that could be fun. I kind of got some weird things this year, but I thought, why not? I mean, I want to get some stuff that I think that I'll actually eat a lot of, and it was kind of limited with everyone planting their victory garden. I also got spaghetti squash. This holds really well. I haven't really eaten a lot of this, but I am interested to give it a shot. I know people love it, so I thought it could be another great thing to grow. I also up front planted kale, which you can see in my first video. And I also, in the bed, that spiral bed that I planted that you have seen, I have planted quinoa because it is beautiful and I think it'll be kind of a nice part of that bed. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to go ahead, get some of that stuff in the ground so I can avoid the rain and get this vegetable garden on the road. gardening. Am I right? So I have another day of gardening. Today I'm going to weed out these side beds and get them ready to put in some perennials. I have some echinacea that I want to put in there. I also have a peony that I'm going to pick up a couple days from now at a peony sale. They did it online this year, which was fun because I was able to pick out the peony that I wanted, as opposed to fighting people to get them. So I'm going to pick one of those up. I think I'm going to put that over here. So I'm just going to try to clear this out the best that I can. Yesterday I worked on my vegetable bed, so I'm ready to kind of get the rest of the backyard in better shape. Also, my dog is the statue, apparently, so enjoy him.